All right, check it out. It's the new teapot from MSR. Nice, shiny, huh? Let's make some coffee. Nice thing about it, you can store, I got my Pocket Rocket Deluxe coffee and the coffee maker. Let's get our brew going. Unfortunately, the hole is too small to put a canister in. Kind of chilly out today. About the limit for using a isobutane stove. So again, teapot, kind of nice. I don't have an outdoor teapot. But seeing as how all I usually ever do is boil water, it's actually a pretty ideal cooking device, right? All right, we got the Pocket Rocket going. And the handle comes right up, a bail, nice and easy to hold on to. We got the spout right here. Enough. All right. It is windy out. I should have a windscreen up. All right. So again, I got the lid on. All right. Let's watch the water boil. I think the one reason I like this, because I'm out with the kids so much, is that there's less of a chance if this thing tips of splashing hot water everywhere on top of everybody. Get my coffee maker set while that water heats up. And put the filter in. Dump some grounds. Get the coffee cup ready. Find a nice level spot. Now we're going to be doing some pour over coffee. Yeah, I've already got bubbles going. This thing heats up fast. Yeah, I'm starting to get some vapor coming out of the spout here. I used this to do a backpacking meal the other day, and it was perfect for getting that boiling water just to pour into your meal. And again, really easy because now you got a spout to pour it from, so a little bit safer. And again, there's no heat on that handle. The handle is cool to the touch. Alright, it's coming out. This does not whistle like a tea kettle. Just about ready. Good coffee takes time, right? Alright. Boiling pretty good. Getting pretty hot. Alright, let's shut her down. Oh, look at that. Nice. Pour over wilderness coffee. Well, not true wilderness. I'm just out with the Boy Scouts this weekend, with the Cub Scouts. But we're at camp. You can probably hear them yelling in the background. We Again, give you a nice close look at that new teapot.